Welcome to the new era of efficient energy management, the intelligent EMS system, with a hybrid inverter at its core. It is committed to converting every ray of sunlight into reliable electricity. The system always adheres to the principle of solar priority, when the sun is sufficient. It uses solar energy to directly meet your electricity needs while injecting green energy into the energy storage battery. When the solar supply is insufficient, the system immediately starts the intelligent scheduling engine. Unlike traditional solutions, EMS never simply connects the backup generator to the load. It can accurately schedule the generator to focus on charging the battery at the best efficiency. By ensuring that the generator is constantly running in the optimal load rate range of 60% to 80%, EMS has achieved a significant leap in fuel efficiency, significantly reducing fuel consumption and emissions, while effectively extending the life of the generator. The fully charged energy storage battery then seamlessly connects to provide stable and continuous power guarantee for the load. Once the sun reappears, the system automatically returns to solar priority mode instantly, minimizing dependence on fossil fuels.